Those are the outside knobs.
There are inside knobs?
I'm here today for a furniture building contest against Arturo.
Hello.
You're going down.
I think it should be fun. Good luck.
You too.
What's with the bell?
Don't worry about it, you'll find out. Who's 12 hidden cams? Who's Cam?
Am I allowed to help her?
No.
Sorry.
Please? Help! Hey. We have to tighten 4 of these cams right here.
Wait, who's Cam?
Down. Help! Come on, guys. So here's what we gotta do. Seal the screwdriver.
Yeah, all right.
Oh!
Yeah, no, there's an alarm.
Next time I need to build something, I'm gonna hire a tasker like Arturo.
Actually, do you mind grabbing my screwdriver?
Yeah.
Ah!